Have you ever heard the word detox and wondered what it really means? Maybe you've been feeling a little sluggish, bloated, or just not 100%. You see promises everywhere for expensive cleanses or complicated diets. But what if I told you that you could support your body's natural cleaning crew using simple, powerful, and delicious drinks you can make right in your own kitchen? In this video, I'm going to share 5 healing drinks that help your body do what it does best: stay clean and healthy from the inside out. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Amelia. It's my mission to provide you with honest, evidence-based health information that's easy to understand. Today, we're cutting through the hype. Your body, especially your liver and kidneys, is your master detoxification system. It works 24/7 to filter out what you don't need. Our job isn't to replace this amazing system, but to give it the nutrients and support it needs to work at its best. These 5 drinks are packed with those very nutrients. Let's get started. First, at number 1, the hydration helper, lemon and mint water. This is the simplest drink in the world, but it's incredibly effective. Staying properly hydrated is the single most important thing you can do to help your body flush out waste products through your kidneys. The lemon doesn't magically scrub your organs, but it does provide vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage. The mint adds a refreshing flavor and can help soothe your digestive system. How to make it? Simply add the juice of half a lemon and a few fresh mint leaves to a large glass of water. Drink it first thing in the morning to rehydrate your body after sleep. Coming in at number 2, the inflammation fighter, warm turmeric milk. You might have heard this called golden milk. The star ingredient here is turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories known to science. Chronic inflammation can put stress on your organs. By helping to calm inflammation, you're giving your body a better environment to function and heal. This drink is fantastic for supporting your liver. How to make it? Gently warm a cup of unsweetened almond or oat milk. Whisk in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, which helps your body absorb the curcumin, and a tiny bit of honey or maple syrup if you like. Next, at number 3, the liver supporter, green tea. I love green tea, and for good reason. It's loaded with antioxidants called catechins. Research has shown that these compounds can help protect the liver from damage and support its natural detoxification pathways. It's like giving your liver a shield. It also provides a gentle energy boost without the jitteriness of coffee. How to make it? Just steep a high-quality green tea bag or loose leaf tea in hot, but not boiling, water for about 2 to 3 minutes. Drinking 1 to 2 cups a day is a great goal. Moving on to number 4, the blood flow booster, beet juice. The deep red color of beets comes from pigments called betalains, which are excellent antioxidants and support liver function. More than that, beets are rich in nitrates. Your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps relax and widen your blood vessels. This improves blood flow, which means more oxygen and nutrients can get delivered to all of your organs, helping them work more efficiently. How to make it? If you have a juicer, juice 1 medium-sized beet with an apple for sweetness and a small piece of ginger for a little kick. If you don't have a juicer, you can find pure beet juice at most grocery stores. And finally, at number 5, the Gut Guardian, a green smoothie. Your gut health is critical for overall wellness. A healthy gut helps eliminate waste properly. This smoothie is all about fiber. Fiber is what feeds the good bacteria in your gut, and it helps keep your bowel movements regular, which is a primary way your body removes toxins. How to make it? In a blender, combine a large handful of spinach, half a frozen banana for creaminess, a tablespoon of chia seeds for fiber and omega-3s, and a cup of water or unsweetened plant milk. Blend until smooth. It's a nutrient-packed meal in a glass. A very important note. These drinks are wonderful additions to a healthy lifestyle, but they are not miracle cures. True, long-lasting health comes from a balanced diet, regular physical activity, good quality sleep, and managing stress. Think of these drinks as your daily wellness boosters. What is your favorite healthy drink? Is there one I missed? Let me know in the comments below. I love reading your suggestions. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to click that subscribe button for more honest health advice every week. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.